Kingston 13, Father Epic and Dr. Love. Thank you especially. Michelle Ladana, thank you all when you come. If you come scrutinize and talk about this and that. Aunty Donna and the Plankatarians. Plankas. How are we going up? If you have a student, stand up and march. We have a lot of plans, but you know things got off track a while because of all the drama that really happened on this platform. And I am taking the time to clean up my platform. It's me alone and a few people who are helping out. Most people have run away. Most of them have run away. I thank God for those who have decided to stay. I thank God for those who have decided to stay. Like Aunty Claudette. Aunty Claudette is with me every day. A few who have decided to stay. Josette, Sashi, Tanya, and a few others have decided to stay. Dr. Nesbeth, Karen Harriet, Mrs. Foster Allen, Dr. Mikey Abrams and his wife, Nerissa and Bonnie Rose. I appreciate you. But Aunty Claudette, may I tell you, every day she's around me. Morning, noon, and night. She's no boss lady, and she'll forever be boss lady. All of the right people are remaining, you know. All of the bad people have gone. But I respect who respect me. Chief Richard Curry never left me. Chief Richard Curry never left me, Jamaica. Chief Richard Curry remain, and I have the utmost respect for Chief Richard Curry. And to the diaspora who never left me, I'm a student, them will never left me. My student, them will stand up and wait for me. My student, them will stand up and wait for me. Me thank you. Me thank you for stand up for me. Prophet Mark Stewart, Bishop Dwayne Campbell, Apostle Karen Gregory, Prophet Israel, and Prophet Sean Miller. Thank you no. Thank you no. You never left me side. But Apostle Karen Gregory, me have to big her up specially for this our assignment here. Kingston 13, Father Epic and Dr. Love. Thank you especially. Michelle Ladana, thank you all when you come. If you come scrutinize and talk about this and that. Michelle Ladana, thank you for still love me. Aunty Donna, thank you for all of the private call them. And checking up. And she say me good. Aunty Donna and the Plankatarians. Plankas. Kingston 13. Father Epic. Dr. Love. All who stay. Mama Janet and the prayer warrior then. Enough prayer warrior pray for me now. Only things I who alone me call. The whole Jamaica will pray for me. The doctor them. Dr. Wendell Abel. And Dr. Sandra Nesbeth. Dr. Wendell Abel and Dr. Sandra Nesbeth. I when did that? When Dr. Nesbeth and Dr. Abel walk for me, to make sure so me come back and talk to him. I will only did that when Dr. Nesbeth and Dr. Wendell Abel walk for me to make sure so me good. Me will call her next name, two prophet. One name Prophet L and one name Prophet J. Them the two woman me not identify them cause me secret weapon them there. Prophet L and Prophet J. Lord Jesus. Hey! 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 say big up Prophet L. Big up Prophet L and big up Prophet J. Big up Prophet L and big up Prophet J. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Only the man was say me I come back. Only thing say me just go ball every day. Only thing me go ball every day. Hey, big up Jamaica at topic too. You see all you Papa's news link. Me don't need to call everybody name, you know. Papa is a me a friend. Aromatic. And to all of me donors them way, make sure say me alright every week. Me appreciate to know. Nerissa, big up yourself anywhere you're there. Me and you might not have the best relationship, but you always have my interest at heart. Nerissa Samat, anywhere there, big up yourself. The Gucci, the prophet, when the prophet L, them call her the Gucci prophet. When you remember when we did in the place, and we wonder when we did there? Me did the Gucci prophet residence, the all-white residence. And the Gucci prophet make sure say me have security, and make sure me have nurse, and make sure I'm being monitored. But me I said to you, say the Gucci prophet L, love your mommy. Thank you for stand up with me when my mother never did it. You know yourself. You know yourself, Prophet L. And me love you and not stop love you. Me not stop love you. And you love me too. And thanks, I spoke to Pastor Peter Chambers. I'm waiting for the approval from my medical team before I go further with Pastor Peter Chambers. I'm talking to my medical team because I have to get permission from my medical team before I can enter. I can go and have a lot of visitors in my house. So I'm going to pray that my medical team will grant permission for me to have visitors like that. Please and thanks. Just pray that my medical team will grant permission to me having visitors this weekend into next week. Me don't need to keep my man for Peter Chambers. He's a good man of God. He's a good man of God, so me can't talk. I spoke to him yesterday. The Peter Chambers that you guys see online is not the Peter Chambers that I spoke to. The Peter Chambers that is in his elements was never the Peter Chambers that I saw or spoke to. I spoke to a different Peter Chambers. He was very gentle, he was very calm, he was very subtle. And that made me even want to have a discussion with him. So he was never I don't know what he patterns. He was very gentle, he was very calm, and we spoke. And Prophet Mark Stewart speaks to me too. I'm Apostle Karine Gregory. And Bishop Campbell van Mount Refuge number 5. All when them not come, them there pray for me. All when them not there, them there pray for me. Thank you, Mount Refuge number 5, for keeping me. For keeping me, Mount Refuge number 5. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you for the wisdom. And thank you for the protection. I just come tonight to just say thank you. And thank you is done in a different language in Afrikaner. Nobody no run away from me, you know. Nobody no really run away from me, you know. Nobody no really run away. I just those who need to go and depart left. Some left on bitter terms, some but them leave and we say go on. But me not lose no more sleep. No more sleep. Because there's a race that I must run. And a victory to be won. You hear me say? For there's a race that I must run. And a victory to be won. So every hour, every power, Lord, give me power, give me that. Keep me through. Keep me through, Lord Jesus. Keep me through. And remember what we do? We roll it away. Me I go take my, you see my medication them full up? You see my medication them full up? I go and take my medication now. Somebody call me and encourage me tonight, man. Little David play already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 medication me I take. 6. I move from 4 to 6.
Andre, how are you?
I'm doing well tonight. How are you doing?
I am so glad. I see that brightness on your face.
Really?
Yes. And I'm happy for you.
Yes.
And let me tell you that we use prayer and conquer them.
Yes.
We use prayer. Prayer can move mountain, and it is moving mountain in your direction.
Yes. All right, mommy.
Away from you.
Thank you. I appreciate. Good night. Welcome to the program.
Good night, Andre. First time calling.
Yes.
Pick up yourself and just know that God is with you all time.
Yes.
And no weapon that form against you will never prosper. Me tell you something. You're a purpose and nothing can kill purpose.
Yes.
A long time me I watch you just keep the faith and just put all the trust in God. And
Yes.
just watch God working in your favor. Bless up yourself, Andre. Enough love and blessing to you.
Yes.
All the time. All right then. Good night.
Good night, dear.